Understanding cryptocurrency involves delving into two key aspects: researching popular cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin, BTC, as the first and most well-known cryptocurrency, Bitcoin serves as digital gold and a decentralized store of value. Ethereum, ETH. Beyond being a cryptocurrency, Ethereum enables the creation of decentralized applications, DApps, and smart contracts, adding programmable functionalities. Learning about blockchain technology. Definition: blockchain is a decentralized, distributed ledger that records transactions across a network of computers. Each transaction, or block, is linked and secured using cryptographic principles. Decentralization: unlike traditional centralized systems, blockchain operates on a peer-to-peer network, removing the need for intermediaries like banks. Immutability: once a block is added to the blockchain, it is nearly impossible to alter, ensuring the integrity of the transaction history. Consensus mechanisms: various consensus algorithms, like proof of work, used by Bitcoin, and proof of stake, used by Ethereum 2.0, govern how transactions are validated and added to the blockchain. Smart contracts: these self-executing contracts with coded terms automate and enforce agreements when predefined conditions are met, often associated with platforms like Ethereum. By researching these fundamental elements, one gains insights into the distinct characteristics of cryptocurrencies and the transformative potential of blockchain technology in revolutionizing financial systems and beyond.